This is your host of Seven Turtles. This is part 2 of foundation fixing. It's Imran Malik. This is part 2 of fixing the foundation. So I came this morning, I checked, everything was okay. I jacked up again. And now you can see I've dug the hole. And you can see the rock, the bedrock right over there. It's a little tilted, so on the right side it's a little higher, on the left side it's going a little lower. I think that is why the whole settlement was also tilting towards the left. The beam was, the foundation blocks were these blocks, which were 4 blocks. I used the 2 blocks and I placed on the right side of the jacks as well. Yesterday I took off the jacks. The redundant pillar right over there took the load and everything was okay. So this morning I came, I jacked up again, I removed the blocks underneath it. I used 2 blocks still to put a long piece of 2x6 going all the way there, right over there at the end, and I shimmed up the to place the load on the concrete blocks as well. So guys, this is my progress until today, until right now. Now I'm gonna place a 12-inch. I'm gonna first put some half-inch pebbles from here on the left side over there and compact it, and then I'm gonna place and make the vertical alignment to the center of the beam and 6 inches center from where pillar this post, 6x6 post is coming. From there I'm gonna make it vertical. I'm gonna stabilize it on the sides, then I'm gonna cut the rebars vertically. Likely it would be not more than 42 inches, 3 rebars in an equilateral triangle of 6 to 6.9 inches, as advised by my civil engineer. I'm an engineer as well, but I am not specialist in foundation. We should not be doing anything, and especially this type of critical thing, without the advice of a civil engineer. My trees are looking beautiful. As you can see, the fall colors have kicked in. It's beautiful. See you in a bit. I'll show you the line tube and before I pour the concrete. Thank you very much for watching. Hi guys, so right over here is steel. I'm gonna start cutting the steel. So you guys can see, it turns out that the height from the bottom of the bedrock to the beam turns out to be exactly 40. So I have left 1/16 and I have cut the Sonotube to 39 15/16, and I'm gonna cut the iron a little less so that still there is half an inch on top left, so that steel does not, the rebar does not touch the beam and hurt the integrity of the beam. So I'm start cutting. Let's see how it goes. First time I'm cutting the, not first time. So as usual, this is the 10-foot rebar. No, is it? Yeah, it's a 10-foot rebar, and this is a special, this ASW rebar tie wire. So this is a specific tie wire I have tied before in my home country. I have put the roof, reinforced concrete roof, and I have tied the steel myself, so I am very familiar with this. You basically use a long piece, turn it twice, make it double, and then in the cross, the joint of the two rebars where it's coming, you first tie in one cross and then take it on the other cross and then twist it all together. I'll show you when I have already tied. So let's put the gloves on. Safety first, guys. Safety first. I gotta have my glasses also. Very bad smell. One more. Small piece of bar left. You wanna souvenir? Give me a like. Give me a like on my video and I'll give you the souvenir. Guys, always housekeeping, huh? Keep your gland clean and your tires will puncture less. Alright, so now I have to cut 6.5 inches triangle. How I'm gonna do that? I have another rebar. equilateral triangle. Yeah.
Yeah, babe.
Just like that. It's gonna be just like that. It's gonna be tied with all right. Let's open the tie wires. I went upstairs to brought the wire cutter. I feel like I'm a I'm a tailor, you know. It's okay. Never mind. I can be anything. All I have to do is to keep enjoying, you know. Yesterday, I was listening to this guy. What's his name? Matthew McConaughey. He's a movie star, and he said that joy is something different from happiness, and he is 100% right. I'm enjoying. This is my joy. This is my pleasure. You see, this is called workmanship. Yeah. Let me show you. You see, you see, all solid, double-sided. You go this way as well, you go this way as well, and you do the double. This is per my experience. I haven't read the code here, Canadian code, but I've actually done it myself. I'm gonna go now show you how I place the tube. Let's go to the site. Let's go to the site. Let's go to the site. Yeah. Look at that. Look at that hole, bro. Look at that hole. That's a deep, deep hole. Not a deep hole. It's just a couple of feet. So here is the 12-inch tube. I've cut it not 40-inch, but 1/16 less. So I'm gonna place this inside and I'm gonna insert it. But if you see, there's one challenge left. The challenge is that I have to still dig a little bit to guide the thing inside. It's not gonna go vertical, so I'm gonna make some room. To shove the tube inside. Let's see. My IR end, you can see from inside, it's already there. Instead of cutting the whole thing, I've just cut it from one side, just a little bit for the beam to take the, but then I'll cover it with some ring, and when the concrete will pour until here, I'm gonna cover the ring and then continue pouring. But I do not want to lose the height I want. Let's try again. Yep. Guys, the most important thing in concrete is the right water, clean water, mixing, proper mixing, no powdered left, no dry concrete left. Otherwise, it's gonna at that point it can start the cracks because it's dry. It doesn't have any strength at all, and it can be just like soil. So it's a 6,000 psi. 6,000 psi concrete. So I'm gonna keep pouring. So guys, I've completed the pouring the concrete. I've completed pouring the concrete over here. It was a long one. I'm not used to mixing concrete by my hand, but it was a good anger management, given I'm not how do you say, the whole life is dropping in front of me. But I never stop laughing. I try. Guys, one of my suggestion is, if the whole life is dropping, just go to Homedepot, buy a concrete bag and go and pour concrete. You will be happy. At least you will make your mark here, somewhere on earth there is a mark, there is a GPS point. This concrete column, this is my GPS point on earth. I poured it. So make your mark, go and buy a concrete bag and go and pour some concrete somewhere. that will be your peg, you know, where you can hang on to. So thank you very much. Subscribe to my channel, Seven Turtles. It's been a while, I haven't brought many videos to you guys, my apologies. I'll try to post regularly now that I have a little bit more time. So keep me in your heart. If you have any suggestions, please leave me a comment. If you have any other comment, just leave a comment for appreciate it. Or if you don't like, give me a feedback. How can I improve? Thank you very much. This is your host of Seven Turtles, Imran Malik. Bye bye. Take care. Be safe.